Public Prosecutor Wala Tamate has called on lawyers and police officers to deliver the best practice justice services. Mr. Tamate said in criminal cases, justice can only be done for the victims of crime if lawyers and police officers provide strong evidence in court. And for children, more efforts are needed from these law enforcing officers as this group is vulnerable. Mr. Tamate issued this call during a Pikinini witness workshop in Port Moresby recently. The workshop was aimed at enhancing the skills of Papua New Guinea police and legal professionals so that they're better prepared to investigate and prosecute crimes concerning children. Dr. Sawan reports.
The workshop was an initiative of the Office of the Public Prosecutor and the Royal PNG Constabulary. About 22 Australian and PNG police officers and prosecutors who work together to strengthen investigative, interviewing and examining skills attended the workshop. The workshop was initiated after it was realized that vulnerable witnesses, particularly children, require special care and consideration when their evidence is given to police and court. Sessions included medical evidence in children's sexual offences, child development and reducing trauma in interviews. Speaking at the closing of the workshop, Public Solicitor Wala Tamate said the workshop is important. Tamate said it takes a lot of courage for a child to give evidence, sometimes against the actions of their own parents. The public prosecutor further said it is also how relevant parties approach and deal with these cases and evidence that determines a matter in the court of law. Mr. Tamate said in criminal cases, the bottom line is providing evidence, and if lawyers and police officers fail to provide that evidence well, then there is no justice for the victims of crime.
It is my belief that lawyers, we should be really careful on how we deal with witnesses who are very young in age, very tender years. It is our approach on how we deal with the witness that we can expect good evidence from them in a court of law. It takes a lot of courage for a child to come and give evidence against his own parent.
Dr. Sawan, NBC National News, Port Moresby.